gonna give you 3 different methods on how to achieve these jumbo twists. I got hair from Flotig from Amazon. This is a 24-inch water wave hair in the color number 4. It comes with a crochet needle and 7 packs of hair. And then I show you just a little bit of what I've used, so you don't have to use the same products, it's up to you. Okay, hi everybody. I do not have a tripod, I am out of town, but I wanted to show you all 3 different ways of applying these beautiful passion twists by Flotig Hair. I love Flotig. This is water wave hair and it's super long. It is 24 inches. Let me show you in the mirror. Okay, so it goes down to my butt, past my butt actually. Let me see, straight head. Yeah, to my butt. I absolutely love this hair. It's very affordable. I'll put the price down there. And I also, what the heck is going on with my eyelash? So let's go on ahead and let me show you how I got to where I got. Okay, so I did this backwards because I did my hair a week ago, but I had to redo the front. I used my Shine and Jam first to secure my edges. You always need to finish with a mousse because Shine and Jam for 4C hair does not stay all shiny and sleek permanently. You have to finish with a mousse, maybe sit under the dryer, because I'm telling you, an hour after I did this, gone. So this is my first and favorite technique. Why I like this is because I can control the tension. So I start off with just doing a regular box braid. You can make this as tight or as loose as you want. I make mine semi. I like my edges, I want to keep them. And I twist it all the way down. For all of these techniques, I like to twist my hair all the way down. Why? Because if I leave my hair out and twist it with the passion twist hair that's really silky, it will eventually frizz and you'll see it. This way I can hide the hair in the twist. Next, you grab the crochet needle and the hair, you're gonna stick it through any which way because we're gonna do a cross, okay? I took 3 strands of hair because they have it pre-separated. And instead of knotting it over, I don't want there to be a knot. I want it to be knotless. So instead of knotting it over, I just pull this hair through so it reaches the half point. Now I'm going to do in the opposite direction, whichever was the opposite of the way I put it in before. And I do a little twist to make sure that all the hair gets in the needle. If you do your hair too tight, that braid, it's gonna be harder for it to pull through, but you'll get it through. Now that I've gotten them both there, I add some mousse, which is a very important step so it doesn't get tangled. And I begin to twist it down, but before I do that, I find where my natural hair is and I wrap the weave around it. I'm telling you, this is the best method to do it. You can feel where it is just every time you twist it around. Make sure you're wrapping the weave around it so that way you can't see your hair. And remember, you're twisting each strand as you twist around each other. That's also a very important step so it doesn't unravel on you. The next one is the rubber band method. I started with the Shine and Jam, don't need to show that again. And this time you just wrap your rubber band around the base. Now, if you don't know how to braid for some reason, then you would just leave your hair just out and twist it with those twists. I am always going to do the method where I twist the hair down. I don't have to show you that again. So we're gonna do this just as we did with the one before. I'm gonna take 3 strands of hair. I'm gonna hook it through the hook and pull it through just like I did the one before. I'm gonna go in the opposite direction. And once again, I'm going to hide my hair in the weave and twist it all the way down. That is number 2. And this last one, it is still a rubber band method, but this time I'm going to split my hair in half. I did a diagonal, I don't think it really matters. And I'm going to lay the weave in between. Then I am going to sandwich it and then use a rubber band to secure it, just like how I did in the rubber band method. Okay, I didn't do this, I actually don't think I did this tight enough, but you can always pull your hair just slide it on down. Then I'm going to twist it again like I always do, and make sure you put some mousse on it. So there you have it. These are the 3 different ways. This one is with the rubber band. As you can see, I don't like a lot of tension, but the only thing is, okay, you can see that there's like a knot here where it begins. This one I feel like is virtually knotless. And this one too, this one's supposed to like hide the rubber band. I mean, after a while you might be able to see it, but it hides the rubber band and it kind of gives you the same effect as this one. So these 2 are my favorite, and this one is, you know, somewhere in between. That's all, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. I will leave a discount below. They are offering a discount to the end of July. Please take advantage of that. You can look at it in the bio. Like, comment, share, subscribe.